Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a Barletta 24UC. It's got the matte black with the gray, two-tone. It's very nice with the black rails. The doggy door view. It's got the electric bimini top. It's got the Ultra Lounger with the rear facing speakers. Your tow bar. 115 horse command thrust. Very spacious interior. It's got the removable cup holder, armrests, dual captain seats. It's got Lorenz Hook 5 fish finder GPS. This boat does have the RGB lighting as well. If you have any more questions, please call Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Thank you.